Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best strategy to sell bitcoins on Cash App. Alright, so the best strategy to sell bitcoin on Cash App is to sell with intention rather than emotions. First, define your exit goal in advance, whether it's profit taking, risk reduction, or reallocating funds. Monitor market conditions, but be sure to avoid reacting to short-term price fluctuations that this can lead to impulsive decisions. Review the sale preview carefully to understand the exchange rates and fees before confirming. Consider selling in portions instead of all at once to manage volatility and of course timing risk. Once sold, transfer proceeds to your bank promptly to secure gains and reduce exposure. A planned selling strategy keeps decisions rational, also protects profits, and prevents common mistakes driven by fear or hype. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here, useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.